Rogers TV, particularly Ignite TV, relies on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Connectivity problems often stem from incorrect SSID, network name or password entry, or issues with WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup pairing. As of late 2025, common issues include intermittent drops during peak hours due to network congestion, especially in urban areas. Recent firmware updates, like version 11.2, have improved stability by optimizing band switching and adding WPA3 security, but understanding the fundamentals is crucial. Make sure you are within a reasonable distance of your router. First, verify your SSID and password are correct and match your router settings. These are case sensitive. The Rogers Ignite app has a Wi-Fi wizard for remote diagnostics. For WPS, press the WPS button on your router and then initiate the connection from your Rogers TV box settings. Note that WPS may be disabled by default for security. Other steps include ensuring a strong Wi-Fi signal within 30 to 50 feet of the router, power cycling the TV box, and checking network settings via the box's menu. In extreme cases, you can connect via Ethernet.